See you back. Now in this video we are going to make the list of that value, and here every time I should make a global list. Here I'll make this equal to list. This will be the global list. Here anywhere you can declare this global list. Now for this, when we click generate bill, we have already made this function and we have call in add item list, and every time we have inserted in this we have to make two things more. We have to make a we have to make uh, that we have to make dictionary list. A dictionary is equal to this will be, I'll make this name like a previous one. I think name rate name dot value is equal to the value of name will be item name, comma rate will be where is the rate, item rate, no comma, here is colon, and I think what we have is quantity. In this quantity I will make quantity here and cost. This will be simply cost. Now we have made dictionary. For this we will insert that value so that we could know that which things had been sold for how many rupees. You can add VAT, anything in these things here, VAT rate, VAT, what is that, everything can be added, but I am not adding this. Let's append this. First of all I have to global this item list. The values we have to change should be global every time so that it will be changed for all the things, otherwise it will be only for a specific function only. Now dot append dictionary, print item list, so that we could get that value same as the previous we could. Now first of all I will erase that all the values of this of my database. Check all that. I think this is less one, there are more numbers. Now I have to start this. Here we have no item here. Now I will add banana shake of 12 quantity, add to list, and we have to get a result here. Same as this name, rate, quantity and cost. I think this should be same here. This are same here and we have added this. Now it is nice for us, but it is starting from their database. We have one item. What in next time we are going to study from that list, from this list. As we have get this list, we don't need this now to print. Now here we don't need any update bill view. This I will, as this is same as this bill view in this. No need to change this. I will uh, update list view. I will make this as list view and call this to everywhere where I need this is another thing is here. Paste. Save this now where this our function that we are working was we don't need this query feature and anything. We have already the list of data and this is item list. These are the item list. You could create this as a tuples, but I have created this as tuples and row in this and it will insert it in this. Now let's see. First of all, it will be null for us. Something is wrong. Connection is not defined. As we forgot to close this. Let's run again. Now no error has been shown. Now you could see this. We have data in the database as we have data one row of data, but we have not seen in this tree view because we don't need any database to be shown. We need to be shown of these values. Now for this quantity is equal to 10. When I add to list, it has been added to this. Suppose I will make Coke 1 to 12 and add list. Now it will add list and it will update this too, so that we could see this by clicking this show entries. And when I have to update this, I'll update this name and this price of this. For this we could make table. For this we could update item list. For now here we could update the value of this item list. Banana shake, what is this can be updated here. Now I need to do something that to click this button. For generating bill, I will generate this bill. For now in this, in the end of this all the things setting we could able to print in the printer too. And I request you to suggest some project you need so that I could make for you in this YouTube videos and help you to understand that project how it can be done in the language like Python, PHP, Java, Android. Only this I could make, and additionally you could ask for me in .NET languages in VB or ASP.NET. I could make for you. Now for this I will make this listener for generate bill. For this I will make we have generated bill. I'll make this print underscore bill. Here I have list. I should global this list item list, and here I should print this. For sorry for this, I have gone for other language like other language. For item in item list or row in item list, same things will be done. Here I will print this like this. Total cost could we should print all four things. First of all, I will make print for this print received. This receipt will contain line. First of all, I will print some line here. Print. I will make this to comma this, and this. I should use 20 would be sufficient for this. This is rate. This should be 10. Quantity 10 too, and same for this 10. Dot format. I will give name, rate, quantity, and this will be cost. Before we print above, I will just generate that bill. In main window we have long of code. Here I will give command this could be done like this. For now I would just confirm. Let's remove this so that we could see at the top. Here when I click this generate button, now it is showing me quantity, cost, and I need one more thing here. This thing is, I think something is wrong there. Or that one is yes, this should be like this. I think I should make this like this and this. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's make it to 12 so that it could be balanced. Let's make not 12, 15 for this. Name could be more. Let's make it 25. Now below this I will print same more than this line. I think we have previous window. Yes, it is totally good for us. Now you could make like this, but I don't make this for now. Now we have to print. Our motive is to print here item list. Print here same thing. I will copy this because we need same format for our data. Format item here. I pass name, comma item rate, comma item. Here I should pass. I think this is quantity and item cost. And at the last we could make total of that values too, but for now I will not make this total. Here many things are pending for us to make. Here we need on total cost here, so that here we could not calculate all the total for now here. Before that I will add one quantity for here 10, add to list. I will add coke 2, add to list and generate bill. I should get a bill like this. Where is my bill? Yes, this is the bill. Here you can see this is the name of the item. I could make more space for this. Rate, quantity, cost. Before this I could add the same line here and I could make this and I could make this longer. It is looking nice for me. This 25 is much more. Let's make it less. Now I need a total here. Total rate I don't need here and quantity I don't need, and this I should need only the total cost here. For this I have to calculate something. Before this I will make this to 20. Let's increase the size to 2 for here and 2 for here. One line break more for this. Copy and paste this and 20 for this. Now here I have to calculate all the value. Total cost is equal to I should before printing s total cost should be made before that. Let's make total cost here. Cost is equal to 0.0. Now when I generate a bill, here I have to make this cost global, this total cost. Where is my total cost? Plus is equal to this cost will be in the float. I will pass this to float to cost. Let's print every time the total cost I add. is my total cost. I will make this after the insertion. Let's make it. Now this has been made. I will make two. Let's generate bill. Sorry for this. Add list, and it is total cost to 20. When I add chocolate shake to two item, then it will make me 20 plus this is equal to 100. Now this is nice for me. What I need is I should make on text level with the variable equal to string var. I have to set the value to total cost. This could be like this, and at the end in the where this button before button I will create a label window text variable array variable is equal to send this where our variable is for that variable total cost where nothing to do total cost that grade. I'll grade this to row is equal to 6 and column is equal to 1. Now this has been made for now. Now before this, as I could know that I have made that, and I will make this. Now it has been made. When I use one quantity, then it should change this value. It is not changing me the value, and every time I have to update that value. Where add item, add item, add item. I have to global this variable here, and I have to set this. Now it should do same thing as printing two item, then it should generate. Sorry for this, I don't generate Coke one item, then it should make me 30. Yes, it has made. When I use 6 item, then it has made. Yes, this is the total cost for now. When I generate the bill, it should be print in this, and all the things should be removed. from that list. For that, what I have to do is print same thing. I'll copy here and here I will make same line for this before this, and on format I'll pass variable here, comma I will pass simple variable, comma only space, and I will pass here I should pass where is this total cost, here is total cost, this is the total cost. Now it should print me like this. Now when I make this one, add to list, add 550, then let's make this. When I generate bill, it should generate me here. Now it has generated the nice bill for me, name, rate, quantity. This has been printed here. Then total is equal to 510. Here I should provide space for this. Nothing has to be done more. It is nice to see, but I have to clear this data after printing this. And this is total. I have to clear this item list is equal to simple, make this, not have to delete all the things, and cost is equal to 0.0. Same thing, we have to do this, call two things here. Now let's try this if it is working for us. Now here quantity 12, add to list 1, add to list, and generate bill. When I generated, it has been make, and it has been cleared here. Total cost has not been cleared tilde because something is error there. Now it has been made all the things. Let's see where we have print bill. Total no costs. This is only this. Now it should works fine. Generate bill. Now it has been made to 0, but here it has been printed. After we have finished all the things, so entry update item and more, if you need, you can comment on below so that I could add some list to this. Now we don't need anything more. We have to do works on these two things. Thank you for watching this video, and I suggest you to make so entries yourself. Only you have to add tree view, and when form load, the item should be automatically generated, and on button that should go back should be added, and on update item I will make you that. Here logout is working, and you could clear this data, but I will not clear this data so that would have to work faster, so I need not to type anything. Now you could add a padding. Here I will add myself. I request you to add yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in next video.